Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay children, see quickly take your EVS Studio activity number 6.5 page number 88. I repeat once again here, page number 88 activity number 6.5 in your EVS Studio. Children, it is a very interesting activity. Okay, see listen. Join the dots to find out what Tina is wearing on a hot sunny day to protect herself from the sun. Okay, to protect herself from the sun. Children, take a pencil. Take a pencil. Now we are going to join the dots. Okay. So now we are going to join the dots and find out what Tina is wearing. See, take a pencil and join the dots, dears. Okay, very good. Okay, children, I hope everyone done this activity. Can you guess what is this? Can you guess what is this? Yeah, very good. Cap. Okay, so cap we call it as cap, else hat also. Okay children, listen. Often the clothes that we wear depends on weather of the day, is a sunny day, windy day, rainy day or cold day. So let us see what we wear on each of this day. Okay, shall we move to the next one, dears? Okay. Okay children, listen. You know one thing, we have the four kind of day. Okay, we have the four kind of day. So what are these days? Sunny day, windy day, rainy day and cold day. So first we are going to discuss about clothes for sunny day. Okay, first we are going to discuss about clothes for sunny day. Children, see this picture. See this picture. See, this is sunny days, no? So sunny days are very warm and very bright with a few clouds only in the sky, dears. Okay, the sunny days are very warm and bright with a few clouds only in the sky. So the people, okay children, see, the people like to dress, okay, the people like to dress in the cotton cloth. Okay, the cotton cloth, because the cotton cloths are very usually lightweight. So it keeps us very cool. Okay, so see the next one, dears. The people may wear frocks. See the first picture. What is this? Frocks. Okay, the people may wear frocks and shorts. Okay, this is shorts. You know very well. Shorts. And the third picture is cap. Then last one is a t-shirt. So the people may wear to protect themselves from the sun. So they can use these kind of dress during sunny days. Okay children, shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Next one, we are going to discuss about clothes for cold and windy day. Okay, clothes for cold and windy day. Children, in some days, the wind can blow very strongly. See the picture, the wind can blow very strongly. So it may snow in some places too. So the people usually dress up in the jacket. See this picture, this is jacket. Okay, the people usually dress up in the jacket and sweater. This is sweater. Okay, this is sweater. And the next one is the muffler. So they may cover this ears and neck with the muffler. Okay, they may cover the ears and neck with the muffler. Children, you know one thing, the sweaters are usually made from wool. Okay, the sweaters are usually made from wool. Because the woolen cloth keep us very warm. Okay, the woolen cloth keep us very warm during the windy or cold day. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Next we are going to discuss about clothes for rainy day. Okay, clothes for rainy day. Children, in some days it may rain very heavily or drizzle and lightly. Okay, some days, the rainy days, the rain heavily and drizzly lightly. So they can thunder and lightning too. So the people people usually wear the raincoat. See this picture, you know very well about the raincoat. Raincoat and gumboots. Okay, raincoat and gumboots is made from plastic. Okay, raincoats and gumboots made from plastic, and which is synthetic, unlike cotton and wool also, dears, because the people also prefer to wear the nylon and rayon also, because the fabric during the rainy day, okay, the fabric dry very quickly, so when the sun does not shine. Okay children, so during the rainy day, moreover the people wear the raincoat, gumboots, sweater, woolen cloth and rayon and nylon cloth also. Okay children, okay, very good. I hope everyone understood about the 4 kind of days. Okay, sunny day, windy day, cold day and rainy day. Okay children, next we are going to do an interesting activity. Take page number 90, activity number 6.6 in your EVS studio. Okay, okay children, see, do you remember this rhyme? Do you remember this rhyme? Rain, rain, go away. Do you remember this rhyme? Okay, sing along with me, okay? Shall we sing this song? Shall we sing this song now? Okay children, shall we start here? Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. So rain, rain, go away. Okay. Shall we sing one more time? Okay, very good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. So rain, rain, go away. Okay children, very good. Have you all enjoyed this song? I hope everyone enjoyed this song. Children, now we are going to answer these 2 questions. See the first question. Why did little Johnny wants the rain to go away? Why did little Johnny wants the rain to go away? Can you guess this answer? Yeah, very good. Little Johnny wants to play. Okay, little Johnny wants to play. Okay, next one. See the second one, dear. If little Johnny has to go out of the rainy day, what kind of clothes should we wear? What kind of clothes should we wear? Yeah, very good. Little Johnny has to wear raincoat and gumboots to protect himself. Yes, dear. Raincoat and gumboots to protect himself. Shall we move to the next one, dears? Yeah. See, this is also very interesting activity, dear. Take page number 91. Take page number 91, activity number 6.7, dear. See, listen, dears. Get creative. Use the 3 outline provided to complete the picture of some picture of clothing. Write which weather condition each will be used in. Children, they have given the 3 pictures here. Okay, they have given the 3 pictures here. So you can draw to complete this picture with your own innovative idea and color it also. Then after you complete this drawing, you can write here which weather condition we can use this thing, and okay, what is this thing and which weather condition we can use this thing. You can write this here. Okay, you can write in the blanks. First of all, you can complete this drawing, then color it, then after you can write it here. Children, listen, one has been done for you. Okay, see, for example, this is cap. Okay, this is cap. So you can write here. Okay, you can write here. What is this? Cap. As we call it as hat also. So, and write here, and in the second dash you can write it is worn in summer season. Okay, it is worn in summer season. Like that you can complete these 2 things. Okay, you can use an innovative idea to complete the drawing, then you can write it here also. Okay, this is your home task. Take this activity as a home task activity. Okay, dears. Okay, next shall we move to the next one? Okay, see children, activity number 6A, companion activity. See, look out the window, how is weather today? Write 3 words that come to your mind to describe it. Look out the window, how is the weather today? Write 3 words that come to your mind to describe it. See children, for the first one, you can write here, how is the weather today? Okay, you go and watch, then you can write it here with your own innovative idea, your words, your wish to, you have to write here. Then second one, draw 2 picture clothes that people may wear today to feel comfortable, label them. Okay, so here you can draw your own innovative idea. Okay, first of all you can write it here, what weather condition today, then after you write it, you can complete this drawing and trace the color also. Okay, this activity also you take as a home task activity. This is a very interesting activity dear. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Okay, next one, activity number 6.8, page number 92 in your EVS studio. Children listen, unscramble the name of some pieces of clothing listed in the table. Draw weather symbol to show the weather condition that this piece of clothing should be used in. Also identify the fabric commonly used to make the piece of clothing. One is done for you. Children, see, this is a very interesting and fun activity also. So, listen here, they have divided into the 4 column dears. Okay, they have divided into the 4 column. First column, they have given the clothes name. Okay, they have given the clothes name into the, okay, they have given the clothes name here. These and all improper word. Okay, these and all improper word. So you can change to correct the proper word to write into the second column. Okay, that is called the unscramble word. You know about the unscramble? Unscramble. So first of all, they have given here improper word. You can find the correct word to write into the second column. And the third column, you can draw which weather condition we can use these things. Okay, for example, gumboots. Gumboots, which weather condition we can use the gumboots? Surely we can use the during the, okay, we will wear the windy season, sorry, rainy season. Okay, so it made from, and gumboots it's made from plastic. Okay children, so like that you have to complete this activity remaining columns. Okay, so take a pencil, now we are going to do this activity. Take a pencil, already one has been done for you, then we can start from the second one. See the word, what is this? Can you find what is this? Yeah, very good. This is sweater, no? What is the spelling for sweater? S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. Say along with me, S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. Okay children. Okay, which weather condition we can use the sweater? Surely we will wear during the cloudy season. Okay, so sweater is made from wool. Okay, what is the spelling for wool? W-O-O-L, wool. Okay, shall we move to the next one? See the third one. Can you guess what is this? Surely this is muffler. Okay, what is the spelling for muffler? M-U-F-F-L-E-R, muffler. Can you guess which weather condition? Yeah, so we can use the muffler during the windy season, cloudy season also. Okay, it made from windy days. It made from wool. Okay, it made from wool. Okay, very good. Shall we move to the next one? Can you guess what is this? Surely it is frock, no? Okay, very good. What is the spelling for frock? F-R-O-C-K-S, frock. Can you guess which weather condition? sunny day. Okay, which weather condition we can use? Sunny day. Okay, see the picture, sunny day. Okay, it made from very good, it made from cotton. Okay, what is the spelling for cotton? C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Okay, what is the spelling for cotton? C-O-T-T-O-N. Okay, very good. See the next one, dear. Can you guess what is this? Yeah, very good. This is raincoat. No. So which weather condition? Rainy day. Okay, rainy day. We can use a raincoat during the rainy day. We can use this raincoat. Okay, it made from plastic. It made from plastic. See the last one. Can you guess what is this? Surely it is shorts. Okay. So which weather condition? This also sunny day. It made from cotton. Okay, short is made from cotton. Very good, dear. I hope everyone done this activity. Clap yourself. Okay. Shall we move to the next one, dear? Yeah. See, listen. What kind of day will you wear each of these clothes on? What kind of day will you wear each of these clothes on? Children, they have given the 4 clues here. Okay, they have given the 4 clues here. First of all, you see the picture. Okay, first of all, you see the picture and you can write here. What kind of day will you wear this dress? Okay, what kind of day will you wear this dress? See dear, what is this? Frock. Okay, frock. Okay children, what kind of day will you wear this dress? Frock. Surely sunny day. Okay, sunny day. Very good. See the second one. What is this dears? Yeah, very good. This is your raincoat. Okay, what kind of day will you wear this dress? Rainy day. Okay, rainy day will you wear this dress. Next one, we will wear this dress. The next one, see the picture. What is this? Yes dear, this is jacket. Okay, so what kind of day will you wear this dress? Yeah, very good. Cold day. Okay, cold day. See the last picture. What is this? Sweater. What kind of day will you wear this dress? Windy day. Okay. Okay children, very good. I hope everyone done this activity. Shall we move to the next one? Okay children, listen. Next we are going to discuss about care for clothes. Okay, care for clothes. Children, you know one thing, we need to keep our clothes very clean because it is always better to wash clothes with a good soap or detergent to remove the dirty, sweat and stains from them. Then we ironed or neatly folded cloth make us looking very smart. Okay, the clean cloth also keep us very healthy and looking smart also. Okay children, next we are going to discuss about tips for take care of our clothes. Okay, tips for take care of our clothes. First we are going to discuss about follow the instruction on it. The first step is follow the instruction on it. So children, the easiest way to take care of our cloth is to look up the label on the cloth and follow the instruction on it. See the hand wash, warm 40 degrees Celsius, do not bleach, warm iron. So like this, the easiest way to take care of our cloth. Okay, we should be follow the instruction on it. Okay, next step is separate the cloth according to fabric and then color. See the second picture here. We have to separate the cloth. Okay, first of all we have to separate the cloth according to fabric and then color. This is make surely that one color does not stick into the another fabric and spoil them. So only we have to separate the cloth. Okay children, shall we move to the next one? Next one is remove the stain. Remove the stain. Remove the stain from the cloth by using the special cleaning detergent. Okay, remove the staining from the cloth by using the special cleaning detergent. And the next one is the wash the cloth with the right soap. Okay, next one is the wash the cloth with the right soap. Okay children, shall we move to the next step? Next fifth tips is the dry the cloth. We have to dry the cloth. We have to dry the cloth. Okay, last step is we have to press or iron. So the press or iron the cloth and store them properly for the next use. Okay, the press or iron the cloth and store them properly for the next use. Okay, children, like these steps, okay, like these tips you should be following in our day-to-day life. I hope everyone understood about the clothes for different types of year, different types of days, and how to take care of our clothes. Okay, so children, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy food, avoid junk food, use restroom often, drink plenty of water dear. Thank you so much.